Guide to Construction Site Safety with guidance Mangesh Raut sir, Vivek Borate sir, Deepesh Bapna sir, and Suhan Lakte as a mentor sir with Know How School. So this topic is very much neglected nowadays as well. But here, as we see, 21.1% of all the private industry deaths are in construction only. So it's a very huge
Yes.
thing that we have to discuss. Now, this is the content that I have gotten, and on this, all this content, we can go through the safety perspective as well as like working at heights, electricity, working near the sewage. We will go through each and every topic. Now, introductions. Here, as we can see, accidents occur at the end of the day. ऐसा ऐसा क्यों होता है कि लास्ट में होता है? Because of hurriness, we just caught to be accidents. And safety of small buildings is also critical. Small buildings or big buildings, actually small building is also critical. Why? Because we neglect that it's a small building. यहाँ पे क्या खतरा होगा? कुछ होता नहीं है यहाँ पे. So we neglect it. Intuition should never be neglected on site. Intuition must be accepted and it should be
Implemented.
prioritized and prevented. First week of site is more dangerous as I'm a fresher. If I go to the site, I'm very enthusiasm and maybe can cause accident because of my enthusiasm, like मुझे हाँ ये करना है, वो सीखना है, so हो सकता है कुछ भी. So we have to be, first week of site is more dangerous. Make sure you are present physically as well as mentally. You must not enter the site without your safety gears or gadgets. So some percentage we have, like 56% accident happens as a result of falls from the height. We have different percentage perspective also, like we have 21% hello like we have 21% trapped by something collapsing, overturning, and 10% stuck by moving vehicle. We have like 3% contact with moving machinery, 1% exposure to hot or harmful substance. Like we have different percentage over there. On this, what I'm showing is construction accidents. So on the left bottom image, this truck, actually it is a reversing is prohibited on site. So we should not allow reversing, but if it is unprohibited, then the safety will be like we have to keep a banksman uh, with a trained, like he can give a signals so that we can go back, or else we can have a alert system, like a siren system, which must be a like ambulance tune वैसी होनी चाहिए, so that it must be alerted. And at the right side of the image, uh, at the right corner, it is like the props are not firm on the hard strata. That's why the scaffolding has segregated and it is comes down. And I have shown nails. It's very funny, like why I have shown nails over here. Actually मुझे ये कहना था यहाँ पे nails से, the shoes we provide on site, if you feel like the snails cannot do, ये हाथी वाला चींटी वाला काम करेगा, like वो वाला work on करेगा. That's why shoes are necessary in scaffoldings or in shuttering process. We use nails to bind them, right? And other than that, safe access on site, edge protection on site, like single or double guardrail. Why single double? like एक टूट जाए तो दूसरा काम आ जाएगा, या दूसरा टूट जाए तो पहला, ऐसे एक तरीके से edge protection होना चाहिए. Site must be easy to access, site clean and tidy. Clean and tidy का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एकदम clean होना चाहिए, but it's like housekeeping. Like every material should be kept as per the position, because construction work goes on like year to year, so it must be kept on in the same position. Different supervisor आते हैं, so उन्हें पता नहीं होगा कि कहाँ पे क्या रख दिया. That's why it must be housekeeping. Housekeeping is one of thing. It also reduce the time also, because something, if cement hard हो गया, then we have to be cultivate that cement. We have more manpower. We need more manpower. So in that way, good lighting. Actually, this is major problem nowadays. What happened in metropolitan cities? We cannot work in daytime because of heavy traffic. हमें बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक को कंजेशन देना होता है. So what we do is we go for night working. So night working is good also, and the bad thing is if it is lighting is not good, then it is injurious. So if good lighting is there, then we can work more effectively and more, like we can increase our efficiency. Fence off from the public and our side. It must be barricaded. This must be like we cannot indulge both of them. And next we have
Yes.
working at height. So height means it is more than 6 feet. It doesn't mean that it's more than, like, it's a more than 6 feet is the working at height. So a small stone. I have shown a picture at the right side. You see like एक पहाड़ ऊपर गिर गया उसके इंसान के. So it's like, it's not like that. A small stone will hit like a boulder. How it can be? Due to the gravity. So compulsory helmet is required. If you not wear, you will like एक पहाड़ गिर गया तुम्हारे ऊपर. So before starting work at height, check for clearance from any overhead power lines. It's necessary. अगर कोई high voltage का power जा रहा है तो you have to be like, पहले से पता होना चाहिए. Hole should be marked on site to make it visible, eye level or covered. Use of ladder and scaffolding carefully, and it should be complete to certain extent. Like कभी कभी लेबर्स एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं, सो दैट दे थिंक लाइक स्कैफोल्डिंग आधा लगा दिया, देन वी वर्क ऑन, और काम हो जाएगा, काम चल जाएगा. सो इट्स लाइक हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस. सो कंप्लीट योर स्कैफोल्डिंग up to a certain height, then work on. And last one is vertigo test. एक्चुअली वर्टिगो टेस्ट लेबर्स को तो नहीं पता होगा, बट साइट इंजीनियर, सुपरवाइजर, सेफ्टी इंजीनियर्स, इनको सब पता है. सो हमें इसे एम्फेसाइज करना होगा वर्टिगो टेस्ट को, बिकॉज लेबर्स आर जनरली, उनको बेसिक नीड्स के लिए वो लोग भाग दौड़ कर रहे हैं, तो उनको पैसों की ज्यादा वैल्यू है, उनको, हमें भी वैल्यू है, बट उनको कुछ ज्यादा है. और इसी कारण वो कभी कुछ बोलते नहीं है. लाइक वर्किंग ऑन हाइट, दे वर्क विल, and if they have a inferior, that then also they can work, they will work because of money factor. So we have to emphasize this one also. And now, so as we working at height, तो आप जाओगे कैसे? With the help of ladder. If you use ladder, then what will be the position of ladder? You have to right hand side image है, that will be showing that 1 meter horizontal, 4 meter vertical. This will be the position, best position, so to keep the ladder. And other than that, if one is doing something on ladder, then under the ladder no one should be working on it. And this is cherry picker, the left side picture, cherry picker. It's more, so it's look like very, it looks also good, and plus it works more effectively. But yes, it is costly, but if available, use it. Different height of ladder must be available on site. And if you have a fear of height, then best suggestion is not to climb. So this is the ladder safety. Then we have a roof safety. So roof safety, as roof is nothing, I have written on that new slab equal to new roof. Like we construct up to the level where a new roof is there. So every turn by turn we have a roof. Okay, so here avoid the fragile roof. If you walk on a fragile roof, then it will be like your last walk, because of it's a fragile material. Like 50% of fatal injuries involving roof are through fragile materials only. So always inspect roof before you work on. That's the best practice. And safety harness and running cable should be there when working on the height. Next we have a excavation work. So एक्सकेवेशन, हम लोग कहते हैं कि एक्सकेवेशन तो काफी इजी है, क्रेन लेके आना है, गड्ढा करना है, फटाफट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. बट ऐसा नहीं है. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज लाइक excavation, if you want to avoid being buried out, apply these rules. So like excavation, I have written first point that bit rate below 1.5 meters. So as we go down to down, like we have like एक्सकेवेशन करते हैं, तो इनिशियली व्हाट वी गेट कि वाटर टेबल कहाँ पे है. अगर हमें पता नहीं है वाटर टेबल कहाँ पे है, देन वाटर लेवल विल बी इंक्रीजिंग, देन हमें पंपिंग करके उसको पानी को निकालना पड़ेगा, उसके अलग से टाइम जाएगा. देन अगर हमें ये नहीं पता कि अंडरग्राउंड पाइप्स एंड केबल कहाँ पे है, देन व्हाट हैपन कि वो ब्रेक हो गए. अगर इफ इट इज ब्रेक अंडरग्राउंड पाइप्स एंड केबल, देन इट कंज्यूम मोर टाइम. एंड एक्चुअली इन मेट्रो सिटी लाइक पुणे, हियर आल्सो इन कोथरूड, व्हाट हैपन इज द अंडरग्राउंड केबल वाज ब्रेक. And then what happened, the company of BSNL or whatever the cable owner is, they arrive at that and they discuss on that. So it takes more time. The working was stopped till the excavation completed. So till the cables renew, like that. So trench side
Yes.
can collapse without warning, and there's a no safe ground that will not collapse. So it's mandatory that excavation work also depend upon different terrain and soil, because like we have a black cotton soil in Maharashtra. Black cotton soil is everywhere. Black cotton soil is there. So we have to see the expansive, and because black cotton soil is expansible as well as contraction, so we have to consider that also. Okay, and stop blocks near the excavation it necessary. Now we have crane safety. So हम लोग कभी कभी ये सोचते हैं कि यार मटेरियल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है तो हम तो कितना भी लोड डाल सकते हैं. So it is not like that. We have a safe working load indicator. If we have a automated, that is very good, and if it is working, that is most good. काम भी कर रहा है और heavy. So it is like that. With that, weight of the load is carefully estimated, and it must be up to the SWL indicator, safe working load. If you can act well on incident, then you can neglect the accident. That is most important on site. So traffic vehicle and plant, like vehicle and pedestrian should be separated. They must be barricaded, and reversing is not allowed, as you have told earlier. Maximum speed is 20 kmph. Gossiping is not allowed. Like here in the on site, the vehicles are just to carry the material, not the passenger. So passenger are not allowed, strictly not allowed. Good site logistic guarantee the safety of site. If you have done a planning, good site logistic, then execution will be easy. Now the next one is good hoist. So good safety practice, it's like we have different types of hoist: electrical, pneumatic, manual. And we have manufacturing company already mentioned ki how much capacity of the rope, bar, chain we have already. Current, right, this one is very important. Current examination and inspection report, like before using, examine it and then use it. Suitable base enclosure to prevent people being struck by moving part of the host. And landing gates must be shut except when the platform is at landing. So if you are at landing, then you can open it, but if you are top level, you should must close your gates. That is the good. And next one is electricity. Yes, electricity, as we all knows, electricity is a very fearable part. And other than this, earthing must be done before excavation. This is the point. Like, handle with special care on damaged cables. If the cables are damaged, then we have to take care of it, because it's a high voltage and we cannot bear it. We don't have the safe bearing capacity. हमारे पास वो level की safe bearing capacity नहीं है जो soil के पास होती है. So we have to take care it. Keep trailing cables away from the water, and never overload it. That is very important to the electricity. Now, working near sewage. If we are working near the sewage, then health risk is there, as per written asthma and all. And how infection cause is also skin contact, hand to mouth, sound breathing. Now here, hand to mouth, as we all know, 20 seconds are necessary for hand wash. Now COVID is going on, so everyone is not 20 seconds. They are extending to like 1 minute also because they have a fear. Okay, that is fine, but 20 seconds is minimum. Have to use it. How to protect yourself: understand the risk, understand how you may be infected, wear protective clothes, cleanse all the wounds and cover, change out the contaminated clothes. This is how we can protect ourselves. Safe work should be prioritized above the money. That is very important. Safe work should be prioritized above money. Now we have a PPE on site. Most construction site required at least, of course, we need a hat, we need a boat, boots, we need a jackets, we need a glasses. How it looks? It looks like this is left side above hat. We have shoes. We have jackets for the visibility purpose. We have gloves. We have sunglasses and safety footwear. Now we have very abundant safety kits, but again we need a basic first aid. Again, sometime what happen, we have this, but जैसे कि gloves है हमारे पास, but labor doesn't wear it because of the handy. जो gloves हम provide करते हैं वो थोड़े से handy less होते हैं. So labor doesn't provide it, but हम metal gloves provide कर सकते हैं क्या? It is difficult because it is costly. So site will be uneconomical. So this is the important. Gloves नहीं पहनते हैं majorly site पे, and helmets are necessary. they have to wear it, but they also कभी कभी नहीं पहनते हैं. So इसका एक काफी अच्छा रीजन बताया था, we have to give a rewards, like safety rewards. So ये काफी अच्छा लगा था कि रिवॉर्ड्स देंगे तो लेबर कैन बी, वो इंथुसियाज हो जाएंगे, हाँ हमें यूज करना है, हमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट गैजेट्स यूज करने हैं जो हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. सो एंड देन बेसिक फर्स्ट एड्स, it's a human based industry, and keep the first aid completely ready with all the emergency content: Dettol, antiseptic cream, bandage, gloves, glucose, pain relief spray, cotton, soap, and no painkiller tablets. So no painkiller tablets means we are not doctor, we are engineers, right? And why soap? Soap is necessary at the time of if snake bites, if dog bites, because of that one we have to clean with soap, so that we can further anticipate. Antiseptic cream हम लगा सकते हैं उसके बाद में, so that we have to clean. So soap is necessary for that one. So here basic technique we have, like we have this one, triangular bandage left hand side, and we have at the right hand side we have 4-hand stretcher. We can use 6-hand stretcher, 4-hand, 2-hand stretcher, 3-hand stretcher with that one. So here the different perspectives, and we can provide a CPR at the end. If it is not, if it is breathing causes, then we can use CPR. And how step by step procedure is, just call to emergency number, then lay the person on their back and open their airway. If they are not breathing, start CPR, 30 chest compression, 2 rescue breaths, and repeat until the ambulance arrives. So it's important. And the rightmost portion that you have seen, like it's a like a vertebrae, a rightmost portion. It's looking like a spinal cord. It's a small point is vertebrae. To avoid injury the vertebrae, further it is in short due to accident. So it must be take care it. And next we follow this one, like we have a ABCD. Now we have this one, danger, right? If you have a danger, then respond karo, like, and then send for the help, check airway, check breathing, perform CPR and defibrillation. This is on the ambulance process. So again with that, if you, like, everyone on site, like site engineer, supervisor, or the most civil engineering firm, they must know how to operate fire extinguishing operation. It's very easy, like pull the pin, then pull the pin, aim the hose, squeeze the handle, and sweep the extinguisher back and forth, and it's easy to handle it. So it must be operated. And the finally this one, emergency evacuation plan. Emergency evacuation plan must be deal prior to it, how to exit out, like to evacuate the people. We have majorly we have 3 to 5 minutes. We know we have asked them to gather at an assembly place. The assembly point will be an exit point only, and tell them to use a handkerchief. If they have a wet handkerchief, that is, if they can use a wet handkerchief, that is good. And ask everyone to walk fast, not to run, because if they run, then it's like a hurdle and buster. So they just come at the exit point, and then after also exit point, they just count themselves, and like कौन किसके साथ काम कर रहा है. So if anyone is miss out, then we can locate the position and we can go there and take it out, take the person out, take the person safely out. So here at the end, the safety perspective is very important, and I'm completing this. Thank you for your attention. Any questions, sir?
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Great. 10 on 10 for presentation skills, the toning, the enthusiasm, out of all. Superb. Sir, your comments, please.
Yes, Ketan, you have covered each and every item, including STP also. Great. And for expression, what should be done, it's nicely presented by you. And special things for giving rewards to that laborers to wear their safety harnesses, to motivate them, to encourage them. It's nice thinking. It's great work.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Great one. Can we all have a huge hands raise for Ketan here?